guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Déja Nikira. Before we get started, take a second, hit the subscribe and the notification button below. Now let's get into this video. This video is an initial part 1-ish hair review of Aliannabelle. So I received this hair from Aliannabelle yesterday, and it comes with their cute little cards. It has a company's name on the front. Inside it has washing instructions and how to save $10 off your next order. So definitely keep this handy because we like to save all coins. So the hair that they sent me is a frontal, sorry, not a frontal, a closure. I already took this out of the package. So it's a natural wave. Hair comes with no smell, and this frontal, I keep saying a frontal, and this closure is nice and thick. Like, look at that. That's nice and thick. It's a free part closure, so you can do whatever you want with it. I'm going to turn this hair, I'm going to use this hair and make it into a unit. So I'm probably going to tweeze the front a little bit, give it more of a frontal-esque look for my unit. It comes in the color natural brown. It's really soft. Let's do a shed test. No shedding. That's a good sign. I've purchased so much hair in my life that I've had hair that literally stunk to high heavens the minute you took it out the package. Like, you had to co-wash it and wash it because it just smelled bad. I've had bundles that was super thin. I've had bundles that had nothing but gray hair in it. This is a natural brown, and I see no gray hair. And I have 20/20 vision, so I can see. There's no gray hair. There's no shedding. I never understood how you could receive hair and there's shedding, like, already. Like, there's just, that sign, that's just, it's not gonna work. There's no shedding. This hair is super soft, super bouncy. This natural wave pattern is bomb. Like, especially if you added some crimps into this, this is gonna look freaking fire. This is gonna look fire when I get done with this. So they sent me a 20-inch in the natural color. They sent me a 22-inch, which is way longer than the 20. So this is really true to stretch length. And they also sent me a 24, and we're going to take this one out of the package on camera. So part 2 of this video is going to be after I've made the wig. So it's going to go through the test if it holds color well, if it holds a curl well, if it straightens well, if it gets its wave pattern back after you straighten it. I do the whole nines when I am reviewing and trying out new hair for the first time. And then once, you know, I put the unit on my big ass cabeza and I like it, then y'all gonna know. So these are the wefts of the bundles. Look how thick these are for the length that they are. You will catch hair that's like, this one is the 24. That's nice and thick. You'll catch bundles that be like half of this, and that's why you have to use 5-6 bundles. So yeah, this right here, I'm getting excited. And you see, I don't want a little shorter on y'all, so I'm about to put this in. Where's the 24 in? Yeah, I'm about to put the 24 in and be, ooh. Oh, my friend got a birthday coming up too, so you know I'm about to show out. This hair gets thumbs up off the back because you can tell the minute you get some hair, like, what type of experience you're gonna have. If you're gonna have a good experience, if you're gonna have an experience, or if you're gonna have a straight trash experience. And right now, I have a deep feeling in my heart that I'm gonna have a good experience because this hair has no smell. The shine is beautiful. It's soft. It's bouncy. The wave, the curl pattern is beautiful. It's true to length, and they're good, nice size bundles. Like, the thickness of the bundles is the most important part, especially when you get long hair. And did I say no shedding? Because that is high key the most important part. If my hair sheds the first day I take it out of the package, there's a problem. But I don't have that. So I'm excited. Enough talking. We're going to take a little intermission, go to the bathroom, get you something to drink, get you something to eat, you know, put your wig on, do whatever you want to do, and click the next video, which is part 2 of the initial review, so you can see the final product of what this hair can do and how it looks. So like always, y'all, stay cute and stay blessed. See you in a second.